Hi everyone, so today we're going to harvest some of our onions. We are expecting a storm to come in tonight. Most of the onions have fallen over, the necks are all soft, so I'm going to harvest those. The ones that are still standing firm, I will leave it to harvest another day. So come join me while I harvest some of these onions. These are some really healthy roots. Look at this root system. Wow. I was a bit concerned about this bed. It's the first time we're growing onions here in this bed. As you can see, it's actually not that deep. This bed is probably about 4 inches of soil, yet you can see it's still able to produce some wonderful onions. I was thinking to keep some of these onion greens to put in my omelet. There's some nicer looking greens here. This one. This might be the biggest one so far. Oh. These are called Utah yellow sweet Spanish onion. It's a little baby one. This size is perfect for when you're doing one meal and you don't want to have like extra onions stored in the fridge. You just use this, and this is perfect for just one dish. Another really big one. This one's a massive one. It's not really bent yet. The neck is still firm, so I'm going to leave it. Okay, so these are the onions that I've harvested. As I said, I've kept some of the onions that are still standing strong, so I have a few up this way as well, so I would leave those in. For now, I will take these inside and I am going to cure them. Very similar to how I did the garlic. For those who haven't seen my garlic video, please be sure to check that one out. But basically, I will just be hanging these out on a wired mesh so that it can dry fully and cure, so that we can use these during the winter.